Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP for beginner series, and in this video we will be talking about the most important super globals in PHP: post and get. Post and get method are get data from your user and send it to your server. So the working of these methods are same, but there is a difference between these methods. So let me start. So first of all, you have to create another file in which we will be send our form data. A new file, press Ctrl S, save, and register.php and save this file. And now you can see that another file has been created. Go to index.php, and now here I will create a form with form, and there I will give the method post, and here I will give the action means where your data of your form will be gone. So I will give in my action register.php, and here is the form closing tag, and in between tag I will create two fields. One is name, input. I hope that you must understand HTML, and type is equal to text, and I will give it name to f name. And in the next section I have to create an email, and again input, and it will get two parameters, type, and I will give my input type email, and in the name section I will give the name of variable f email. You can give name according to your choice. Press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. You can see that name and emails has been created. So if I want to make it beautiful, so I have to give br tag here and refresh your browser. You can see that it is looking good, better, and it is better than before. So cancel it, and now again open your coding part, and in this section you have to create a submit button. Input type is equal to submit. Press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. You can see that submit button is appears to below the line. This button you have to type br tag 2 times and press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. Now it is looking good, and now I will enter my name and email in these fields, and I will get this data in a register.php file. At this stage we are in our index.php file. So now first of all I want to show you that if I have get method, press Ctrl S, save, and now open it, refresh it, and here I type my name and my email.com, and when I submit, you can see that we are at this stage on register.php file, and it show that f name, which was the name of my variable in my form. You can see that it here f name is equal to Fahim, which I was enter now, and f email is equal to fahimh127@gmail.com. so you can see that it send data through URL. The get method send your form data through URL. So now I want to tell you that how to receive that data and show this into register.php file. This is so simple. You have to go to on register.php file and type here PHP opening tag and PHP closing tag, and in this section you have to create a variable like username is equal to, you have to type $_get get and single quotation, and in single quotation you have to type your variable name f name, which was you give in your HTML form. You can see in the index.php I type here f name, so you have to copy this and paste it here, and after this press semicolon, and now you have to type user another variable like user email is equal to, also you have to type $_get and parenthesis single quotation, and you have to type f email, which was the name of variable in our HTML form. Press semicolon, and now I will echo this, echo username, and in the next line I will give a br tag. So and next line I have to echo user email. Press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. You can see that it shows me my name and my email. Now again I will input some data other like cubic soul, and in the email section I will type a dummy email like cubicsole@gmail.com, and when I submit this you can see that it shows me cubics and cubicsole@gmail.com. So this was our get method, and now I am going to show you the post method. When I type here post and press Ctrl S save, and you have to go to register.php and change this get variable to post, and change also this get variable to post, and press Ctrl S save, and now refresh your browser. You can see that it shows me an error message. So again refresh it, and now again I will enter my name Fahim, and next Fahim, and I will enter my email and press submit. You can see that it now at this stage it is on register.php. We give register.php file name in our forms action. You can see that here action is equal to register.php. Which file name is given in this section, our data will be moved to that file. So I give the register.php, so it will, our data is moving to register.php, and register.php file is automatically open. So when I open my browser you can see that, but now our data did not go through URL. So this was the difference between post and get method. The get method take your data from URL, and the post method did not get your data through URL. So, and another thing I want to tell you that if you want to send an image from one form to form, then URL cannot do it. You have to always use post method if you want to send your images. So some important things is that you cannot use get method if you are taking your user's password, because if your user password will be appeared in your URL, and this is against security rules. So if you want to enter your user email and password, you have to only use post method, because it is most secure than get method. So get method is fast than post method, and post method is secure than get method. So that was the difference between get and post method. And if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and the next videos are coming about databases, that how to connect your PHP project to your database, and how we will send our data to our database, and that is MySQL. We will learn about MySQL in the next videos. So if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn PHP and who are interested in programming. And if you have any question, you can directly WhatsApp us. And finally, thanks for watching.